There comes a moment in life when a question begins to echo in your heart so deeply that it follows you into your quiet nights, your early mornings, and even the spaces where you smile in front of others, while something inside you whispers with a mixture of hope and worry, when will I get married? When will my life finally shift into that chapter I've prayed for, dreamed for, and sometimes cried for? And today, as you listen to these words, I want you to hold on to a tiny feeling of curiosity, almost like a door being unlocked inside your chest, because what if the signs you have been waiting for were already around you, but you never knew how to read them? What if your delay is not a punishment, but a preparation? What if the merciful is shaping you into someone who will walk into marriage with more wisdom, more healing, more calm, more inner strength than you ever imagined? And as we talk about the 7 signs that show when marriage is near, I want you to keep listening until the very end, because there is something in your journey, something quiet, something unseen, that connects directly to your timing. And once you understand it, everything will finally make sense to you. You will see why certain people left, why certain doors closed, why you felt alone at times, and why your heart kept stretching, learning, breaking, healing, and rising again. Because nothing in your story is random, and every delay is escorted by a blessing that you will understand later. So let me take you into a loop, a gentle loop that keeps pulling you back to this truth. You are not late, you are being aligned. And the moment your heart understands alignment, calmness begins to settle over you like a soft rain that refreshes every part of your being, reminding you that you are not forgotten, you are not behind, and you are not denied. Your timing is just different, because your story is different. And as you breathe, I want you to imagine that marriage is not just about meeting someone, it is about meeting the right person at the right time, with the right mindset and the right emotional capacity. And that rightness is what the Creator protects for you, even from yourself. Because sometimes you want something too early, and if you received it, it would break you instead of build you. The first sign that marriage is near is when your heart starts to detach from the wrong people effortlessly, even without drama. Suddenly the relationships you used to chase no longer interest you. The people who drained you no longer affect you. And the connections you held onto for validation slowly lose their power over your emotions. You begin to feel lighter, calmer, more selective, not out of arrogance, but out of clarity, because your spirit senses that what is coming requires space, and the merciful removes what is not meant to stay. The second sign is when you find yourself craving emotional peace more than anything else. You stop chasing excitement and start looking for stability, honesty, maturity, and responsibility. And sometimes you even shock yourself when you realize that what you want now is so different from what you wanted a few years ago. And maybe this shift makes you think something is wrong with you, but in reality, it is the opposite. You are evolving. And this evolution is the preparation for the next chapter. The third sign is when healing becomes your priority. The wounds you used to ignore suddenly become clear, and you start working on yourself with intention, letting go of childhood pain, forgiving people who hurt you, breaking toxic patterns, learning patience, developing emotional control, and understanding your worth in a deeper way. You may feel like life is pushing you into growth, and sometimes that growth is uncomfortable, but it is necessary, because a healed person will attract a healthier marriage. And as you listen to this, I want you to stay with me, stay in this loop, because the next signs will make even more sense. The fourth sign that marriage is near is when your circumstances begin to shift unexpectedly. You might get a new opportunity, meet new people, move to a new place, change your routine, or feel a sudden push toward a new direction. These changes are not random, these are signs of alignment. The fifth sign is when you develop a deeper trust in timing. You stop comparing yourself to others. You stop feeling pressured by society. You stop forcing things, and you begin to feel a strange but peaceful surrender, like your heart is finally breathing after being tense for so long. This surrender is not giving up. It is giving your journey to the Creator, believing that what is for you will find you. The sixth sign is when you start receiving signs of encouragement. Maybe family members start speaking kindly about your future. Maybe someone compliments your character. Maybe you feel more confident. Maybe you suddenly feel ready in a way you never felt before. And the seventh sign is the most subtle but the most powerful. When a calm feeling enters your heart out of nowhere, telling you that something good is coming, and even though you still don't know how or when, you feel it like a soft whisper inside your soul. This whisper is a gift, a reassurance, a reminder that the Creator has never forgotten you. And as I say this, I want you to hold on to this truth and keep listening, because the journey does not end here, and the real transformation begins when you understand why these signs appear in your life. You see, many people think marriage happens suddenly, but the truth is, marriage begins spiritually long before it happens physically. The preparation, the lessons, the shifts, the growth, it all starts within. And if you are listening to this right now, then I want you to know that this message did not reach you by accident. Something in your life is moving, something is changing, something is opening, and even if you cannot see it, even if you doubt it, even if you feel tired, your story is unfolding exactly as it should. So here is your connection point. The moment you say, "The Creator knows what I do not know," your heart softens, your stress lowers, and your path becomes clearer. Remember this always. Say Alhamdulillah in every situation. It gives you more than what you desire. And now, as we enter the second part, I want you to stay with me, because the deeper meaning behind these 7 signs will reveal something powerful about your destiny. And trust me, you do not want to miss what comes next. If you want this, then you are on the right place. Subscribe and like this video. When you reach this point in your journey, something inside you begins to awaken, almost like a quiet inner light guiding you through the confusion, helping you see your story in a new way. And as you hold these 7 signs in your heart, you will notice that each one of them is not just a signal that marriage is near, but a sign that you are becoming the version of yourself who is ready for marriage, ready for commitment, ready for a partner who will walk with you through life with sincerity, kindness, patience, and maturity. And as you listen, I want you to stay in this loop of reflection, because there is something here that will shift your understanding completely. You see, many people ask, when will I get married? But very few ever ask, who am I becoming while I wait? And that question is where everything begins to transform. The waiting period you experience is not empty, it is not pointless, it is not a punishment, it is a classroom designed for you by the merciful to strengthen you emotionally, spiritually, mentally, and even physically, so that when the moment arrives, you will walk into marriage with wisdom instead of fear, with calm instead of anxiety, with clarity instead of attachment, and with a heart that is steady rather than desperate. And as I share this with you, I want you to feel connected to your own story, because you and I both know there were moments when you felt left behind, while others moved forward, moments when you smiled at someone else's wedding while wondering when your turn would come, moments when you carried a quiet sadness that you never expressed to anyone, moments where you prayed, cried, hoped, doubted, then prayed again. And it is in those hidden moments that your character was being shaped. Sometimes the delay is only there to save you, because many people rush into marriage before they are emotionally prepared and then end up repeating cycles of pain. But you are being protected, even when you do not realize it. The Creator does not deny you. He redirects you toward what is better for your heart. Think of the relationships that didn't work out, the proposals that didn't continue, the conversations that ended suddenly. At the time, it felt confusing or hurtful, but now as you look back, you know deep inside that those people were not right for you. They were not aligned with your future. And if you had stayed with them, you would not be at peace. The delay was protection, not rejection. And as your heart matures, you begin to see this truth more clearly. Some people are meant to enter your life only to teach you a lesson. How to love, how to let go, how to stand up for your worth, how to set boundaries, how to dream differently. And once the lesson is complete, they fade from your story, making space for something better, something healthier, something lasting. So stay with me, because we are entering the deeper meaning of these signs. The first deeper meaning is alignment. Your marriage timing aligns with your emotional readiness, and the Creator knows exactly when that alignment will happen. The second deeper meaning is protection. You are shielded from the wrong hearts until the right one arrives. The third deeper meaning is elevation. Every delay raises your level of maturity so that your future relationship will be stronger. The fourth deeper meaning is timing. Life works with perfect precision even when you do not see the blueprint. And the fifth deeper meaning is reward. The patience you show now will return to you in ways you never imagined. But there is something even more important than all these meanings. It is your ability to trust the story that is written for you. Even when the pages feel blank, even when the weight feels heavy, even when you see others experiencing what you want. Remember this. What is written for you cannot go to someone else, and what goes to someone else was never written for you. The Creator does not make mistakes, and the moment you internalize this, a deep peace begins to settle in your heart. I want you to imagine this with me for a moment. The person you will marry is walking through life right now, growing, learning, being shaped, healed, guided, just like you. They may also be asking, when will I get married? They may also be feeling confused, lonely, or hopeful. They may also be going through their own lessons, because your paths are being shaped separately so that when you meet, the connection is meaningful, stable, and blessed. Sometimes the delay is not about you, it is about them. And sometimes the delay is not about either of you. It is about the perfect moment the Creator is preparing for your meeting. A moment where everything will align effortlessly, where your hearts will recognize each other without doubt, where the peace you feel in their presence will answer questions you didn't even ask. And when that moment comes, you will look back on every delay, every tear, every unanswered prayer, and you will whisper to yourself with a trembling heart, now I understand. And because you will understand, gratitude will pour out of you without effort. But here is something most people never realize. Gratitude itself speeds up blessings. When you say, thank you, my Creator, for what I have and what I'm waiting for, you open the doors of your destiny wider. That is why I always remind people, say Alhamdulillah in every situation. It gives you more than what you desire. Gratitude is the seed that grows into miracles. Now, as we reach the final part of this message, I want to give you something practical, something that you can carry with you after this video ends. Every night before you sleep, instead of stressing about when marriage will happen, say this quietly in your heart: what is meant for me will find me. My Creator is preparing something beautiful for me. When you wake up, instead of comparing your life to others, say, I am being prepared. My timing is perfect. And whenever you feel sad, remind yourself, this delay is protection, not rejection. These simple affirmations have the power to reset your emotional state, align your mindset, and calm your heart. Remember, marriage is not a race, it is a destiny. And destiny never comes early or late. It arrives at the exact moment you are ready to walk into it. And right now, at this point in your life, you are closer than you think. Something is moving toward you. Something is unfolding quietly. Something is lining up behind the scenes. You may not see it yet, but the signs are there, and your heart is already sensing it. So stay patient, stay hopeful, stay grateful, because your story is still being written beautifully. And as we close this message, if you found hope in these words, if something touched your heart, if something felt like it was meant for you, then let your heart respond. If you want this, then you are on the right place. Subscribe and like this video and leave a comment of your wish below. Your voice matters, your story matters, and your time is coming. May the Creator grant you what your heart longs for when the moment is right, and may your journey be filled with peace, clarity, and blessings beyond your imagination. Like, comment, subscribe this channel, and never forget, say Alhamdulillah in every situation. It gives you more than what you desire.